In this video, we will talk about NFTs in 2023 and more specifically about an amazing new project and pre-sale called ArtyFact. So let's get started with the video. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, so let's get right into this video. And before we start, I do want to say that if you want to check out ArtyFact project, but also their own pre-sale, which they have a specific website for, and we'll still talk about that later in this video as well. But if you want to check that out, all of the links will be down in the description. So definitely check them out. I would highly recommend you to check out the website yourself as well, because I'll try to cover as much as I can in this video, but there's way more useful and actually very valuable information as well on their website. So definitely check that out. So first, a quick introduction on ArtyFact, right? We'll talk about a lot of things. I'll tell you how to participate in their pre-sale and also more about the project, things I think you need to know. But ArtyFact itself, basically the problem that they're trying to solve is that right now you have a lot of different games, blockchain games, NFT games, play to earn games, whatever you want to call them. Probably you have seen a lot of those games as well. But the problem in the industry right now is that a lot of those games, they don't have great graphics. And apart from that, it's also based around just playing to earn. So what you see is that this phenomenon is that when games first launch, well, first of all, people can earn quite a lot of money. So they play the game. But then after a while, they realize that the game itself is not that great. The graphics are not great, but they also do not enjoy playing the game. And then what you see is that the play to earn model is also not based on sustainability. So what you see is that after a week, after a month of playing, you actually also don't earn any money with it anymore. So what you have then is that you have a bad game with which you cannot earn money. And ArtyFact comes into this by actually using NFTs and blockchain technology and creating a game that is both nicer to play, looks way better, but also has a sustainable play to earn model so that you can actually keep playing this sustainably in the future while also enjoying, having fun, but also making money. ArtyFact also has their own ARTY token, which you can actually find out via launchpad.artyfact.game. But again, all of the links will be down in the description. They had their first pre-sale already. This was completely sold out. They raised almost $1 million. But right now you can still use that website to actually buy ARTY, and you can buy it via BUSD, BNB, USDT and USDC all over the BNB smart chain. And you can just very easily do that on their website. You just have to connect your BSC or BNB smart chain wallet via MetaMask, Trust Wallet or Wallet Connect, and then you can easily buy those tokens. And it's a pre-sale. There's actually a vesting, so you get 10% of the tokens when the token has actually been created, which it has been created, but it hasn't been distributed yet. And then you get a linear vesting over 6 months time. So within 7 months, you actually have all of your tokens that you buy via the pre-sale. They're yours. You will be able to claim them in your wallet and you can do with it as you'd like. The ARTY token has a lot of utilities. You can all find out more about them on the website. So definitely check out the links down in the description. Now, apart from that, ArtyFact is actually a pretty big business and they're based in the UAE. They also hold quite a lot of offline events, like you can see on the screen right now. And with these offline events, they really create a community and you can find out and learn even more about ArtyFact and the team that's working on this amazing project. And they are actually one of the only projects that actually gets quite a lot of community and quite a lot of people coming to these shows. So it's definitely a unique selling point as well. Something that is also good to know is that ArtyFact actually has been audited by CertiK. As you might know, CertiK is one of the, if not the most secure audit company in the entire crypto space. So what this basically means is that the project is secure. All right, they did a security check. Their security score right now is 86.3, which is very, very high. So the ArtyFact project and their pre-sale and their token are actually audited and secure as well. Apart from that, you can actually also check out a demo of the ArtyFact games on their website. If you just scroll down a little bit from the top, under their audit by CertiK, you can find the demo right here. You can download it, go to Google Drive and check that out. I will 100% recommend you to check that out because the game looks absolutely amazing. currently there's also, you might have heard about this already, but there's also a lot of buzz around ArtyFact, and I'll show you some more interesting statistics on that in a moment as well. But for example, a great news website, which I actually check out daily, Cointelegraph, has also reviewed and wrote an article on ArtyFact. So the hype is real. So while you can, I would definitely suggest you checking out their presale. Now a little bit more about the token presale. Like I said, all of the links will be down in the description, including your chance to actually participate in stage 2 of the presale of their token. And their token actually has a very low supply. It has 25 million, and the initial fully diluted market cap is also relatively low. With an initial market cap of 150,000, there's definitely potential in this token. Low supply, so it actually gets scarce really quickly, and the tokenomics are actually ideal for price gains as well. Now to quickly end this video with some more socials and to actually show you some more validation of how big ArtyFact actually is. So right now they're actually over all of their socials, so Telegram, but also Twitter. And again, links for those will also be down in the description. They almost have 500,000 followers combined. And apart from that, right now the statistics are absolutely amazing. Here you can see the total visits ArtyFact.game, so the website we just looked at. You can see all of the visits they got over the last couple of months, with millions, hundreds of thousands of visits last 3 months. The hype is real, so definitely check it out via the links in the description. But for now, this was the video on ArtyFact and their presale. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.